Hello everyone. Let's continue to talk about position vectors. Okay, in this lesson let's look at example 18. Okay, so in example 18, there's one. Look at these diagrams. There's the one parallelogram is the PQRS. PQRS. This is the parallelogram, right? Okay, come up with all this P is the point on this parallelogram with the reference to the origin O or reference the origin point O. If this, we can form a vector as OP. The OP has the vector P. The other point Q with respect to the origin, they have one position vector. To this O is OQ. OQ can be represented as a vector Q, and then S make the reference to the reference fixed reference point OS. They have a OS also have a vector S, and R is for R. Okay. Of course, we have the direction here. Let's draw the direction. OP, OS, they all make to the fixed point OR, and OQ, right? Yeah. Okay, these are all the points, right? Okay, so what's the question? Okay, the question is express the position vector S of the position vector S of the vortex S in terms of PQR. So if this is the case, but to represent this OS, use the PQR. So how to represent this the position vector OS as a PQR? Okay, let's look at the solutions here. Yeah. So we have a solution. Okay, so since this is the parallelogram, right? So this is the parallelogram of this PQRS. Okay, this PQRS, the two pairs of the opposite side of the parallelogram forms two pairs of equal vector. The two pairs of the opposite side of this in this parallelogram so form an equal vector. So which means this and this, they're equal. Okay, so this is the concept we already know previously said. So I just write here the two pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram, so it forms two pairs of the equal vector. So in this case, so which one is the equal vector? Which one is opposite side? So the opposite side is the PQ equals to QR, right? So they are the opposite side of the parallelogram, and same time they form the same direction because the same direction, same direction, and the same direction, and also same magnitude, right? Okay, so that is when they form the equal vectors, right? Equal vectors. So if this is what's the PQ? What is the PS? PS. Use the triangle law. Use the triangle law or subtraction of the two vectors, right? So we can find out. Okay, so this is PS equals to what? PS equals to PO plus OS, right? So if this is the case, is S minus P equals to, right? And no need to be rewrite this thing. I think everyone is clear, right? So probably I can just write here very quickly. So OP equals to PO plus OS, right? So what's the PO? PO is the opposite of the OP, right? So what is this? So this is minus P plus OS. So what's OS? Is S, right? So in this case, S minus P, right? Similarly for QR. So what's the QR? QR, use the triangle law. QR, QR, right? QR is the QO plus OR, right? So what's the QO? QO is opposite OQ, right? Plus OR. So what we get? Just bring in. Bring in is OO. So where's the OQ? Where's the OQ? OQ is a Q plus R, right? Sorry, minus OQ. So if this is the case, equals to R minus Q, right? So okay, so since we know this thing, so we can surely find out. Okay. Now we just continue talk to here. Okay, so from here and here we come out with what? PS equals to QR. So if this is the case, SP equals to what? R minus Q, right? Okay, so we can come out this, right? We can come out this, right? So from here, okay, this right S equals to R minus Q plus P, right? Just bring the P here. Okay, so this is the answer, right? So we'll get the answer S. So express the vector S of the vertex point S in terms of PQR. So this is the PQR, right? Okay, so this is the answer. S, the answer is S equals to R minus Q plus Q, right? R minus Q plus P, right? So that is the answer. Okay, Ken. So now is example 18. Cool. Let's quickly move on to the example 19. Okay, next we want to make example 19. So what's example 19? Okay, next example 19, go on triangle, right? So and we have the P, okay? P here. Okay, so we get O, B, A, right? P, A. Okay, so in the diagram, so basically in the diagram, so basically we have what? OA equals to A and OB equals to B, right? So that's what we get, right? And then we also have AP. AP is the ratio to the PB equals to 1/2. Okay, so that is the information we have, right? So we're gonna find what? Let's find. What we're gonna find? We're going to find the OP in terms of A and B. We're going to find the OP in terms of A and B. Okay, let's find out this. Okay, so what's the solution? Okay, let's look at solution. Okay, solution. Okay, so what is the O? First of all, we will see that. Okay, so how to express OA, OP? What is the OP? OP is equals to to find out OP apparently is equals to the OB plus BP, right? So that use the triangle, right? So from here we use the triangle, right? right? We use a triangle, right? We use a triangle. So from here, so OA we already know. OA is the A. So now the question, okay, the question is what? The question is to find out BP, right? So what's the BP? So what's the BP? BP, so basically from here we see that, okay? So AB is 1. AP is 1. And the BP is 2, right? This is the ratio, right? This is the ratio. For example, we put this ratio. So from here we can see that. So what we can find? So and then this we can see that, okay, so we can see that is A. So BP is equals to how much? Equals to the BP. BP is actually 2/3, right, of the BA, right? Can we find that? The reason being is what? Because the reason is what? The reason is AP, the length is 1/2, right? Can we see that? This is the AP is 1, PB is 2, right? So in sum it's actually 3, right? The total is 3, right? Total is 3, right? Total for this, total is 3, right? Here go 1, here go 3, right? Total is 3, right? So from here now we need to find out what's the BA, right? So what's the BA? What's the BA? BA equals to what? Use the triangle. BA is from the BO plus OA, right? Correct? Triangle. Here we use the triangle again. We use the triangle again, right? So we use the triangle again, right? So what we get? So we know that AB is the B. So in this case, the minus OB plus OA, right? So what we get? We just bring the B. So it's minus B plus A, right? So it's A minus B, right? Quite straightforward, right? So now we know the BA already. So we just bring in, okay? We just bring over here. So BP equals to BA. So if this is the case, it's 3/2 A minus B, right? Now we find out the BP already. Okay, so let's bring back to the first one. So this is the 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is the 4, right? So now we bring to the 1. The 1 OP equals to, from here we know that OB plus BP, right? So what is the answer? So here we just bring in the B here and plus. So what is the BP? So where do you find the BP? So what is the BP? What's the BP? BP is this, right? So this is the BP, right? Just bring the BP. So okay, let's do the calculation. So what's the calculation? So this is right. Is that correct? So and then this is okay. So this one 3 minus 1 is 1, right? Okay, this is the answer, right? Now we find the answer. So OP, so what's the answer? Answer is, okay, this is the answer, right? Okay, very straightforward, right? Okay, it's very clear. So in this example, we have used the triangle, but we need to find out the BP, right? We need to find out the BP. So to find out the BP, so we will use the triangle again. So find out that this Find out AB first. AB first, because this is just two-thirds of this BA. Two-thirds of BA, so we need to find out the BA. To find out the BA, we use the triangle again. Okay, then once we find out the BA, we just bring in the BA and find out the BP, right? So from here, OP, we come back to here, the first one. We just bring in the BP here, so where we find our answer here, right? Quite straightforward. We use the triangle 2 times. Okay. If we. Okay, I think that's all for today's lesson. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.